G'day, here's a piece of Boulder Opal from central Queensland up in the Winton area. It's got opal inside the parent rock, this brown material. It's very hard, so it'll should polish up to a good finish. And this opal here probably goes through and shows, and the windows getting shown here. Some blues here, so this could change into a nice bit of colour through here. It's probably that sort of shape, but I can't see that. And then the seams continue through, and it's basically what you see there. You could cut it through here, make a couple of slices, and end up with patterned sort of piece with opal and parent material as your stones. Anyway, hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.